Hey, it's Christina, and today I got the replacement for the damaged pup I got. So I also ordered two more pups, and these are in the box. So let's dig them out and take a look. Lots of paper on them and a ordering note. And here we got the replacement. And I can see one of the snowies is out of place. But here it is, and the box is pretty nice. So that is cool. And the other two that I ordered is I got Dumbo. Super cute elephant. And the last one I ordered is Jack Sparrow. Super awesome figures. So that is it for this video. Thanks for watching.